Hello guys, welcome back once again. Here I simplify physics and make problem solving very easy. Okay, so if you're ready to understand physics and not memorizing it, stay with me. All right, don't forget to subscribe, like the channel, okay, and also follow the Facebook page or wherever you're watching from. Okay, so let's go there. In this question, a cell of EMF 2 volts and internal resistance. This is EMF. Let me use E is equal to 2 volts. This is my EMF E. And internal resistance, we use small letter R for internal resistance 1 ohm. This internal resistance 1 ohm supplies a current of 0.5 amp. So my I, which is my current, 0.5 amp, okay, to a resistance whose value is, they ask us to calculate the external resistance, which is R, right? Good. Now, what's the relationship we are going to use? We know that E, that's the EMF, is equal to what? Current times the total resistance in the circuit, which is the summation of what? The external resistance plus the internal resistance, okay? And is external resistance R, they ask us to calculate. So let's substitute and see what we are going to have. My E is 2 equal to my I, 0.5, open bracket, my R is what I don't know, plus my small letter R, internal resistance 1, okay? Open this bracket, 2 equal to this multiplied by this. I have 0.5 R, 0.1, 0.5 I mean, times 1. I'm going to have plus 0.5, okay? The next thing is collection of like terms. 0.5 will come to this side, crossing this sign of equality will turn to minus sign. So I have 2 minus 0.5 equal to 0.5 R. Okay, so I'm subtracting this one, divide both side by this. Okay, so what I'm going to have here is 1.5 equal to what? 0.5 R. All right, good. So the next thing, I'll divide both side by 0.5. So what I'm going to have is 1.5 equal to 0.5 R divided by 0.5 divided by 0.5. So my R is going to be what? This will cancel this. Is going to be 1.5 divided by 0.5. So my R is equal to 3.0 ohms. Okay, our external resistance is what? 3.0 ohms. Okay, you see,